Welcome to our latest video, where we are sharing 50 inspiring quotes that will encourage you to reconnect with nature. From famous philosophers to contemporary writers, these words of wisdom remind us of the beauty and the power of the natural world. Whether you are feeling stuck in your daily routine or just need a little inspiration, these quotes are sure to help you find peace and inspiration in nature. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into these powerful words together. Let's get inspired to connect with nature. Nature is not a place to visit, it is home. We depend on nature, not only for our physical survival, we also need nature to show us the way home, the way out of the prison of our own minds. We got lost in doing, thinking, remembering, anticipating, lost in a maze of complexity and a world of problems. The very basic core of a man's living spirit is his passion for adventure. By discovering nature, you discover yourself. Only by going alone in silence, without baggage, can one truly get into the heart of the wilderness. All other travel is mere dust and hotels and baggage and chatter. Nature insists on whatever benefits the whole. No form of nature is inferior to art, for the arts merely imitate natural forms. Humankind has not woven the web of life. We are but one thread within it. Whatever we do to the web, we do to ourselves. All things are bound together. All things connect. When you have an intense contact of love with nature or another human being, like a spark, then you understand that there is no time and that everything is eternal. The joy of life comes from our encounters with new experiences, and hence there is no greater joy than to have an endlessly changing horizon, for each day to have a new and different sun. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. May the stars carry your sadness away. May the flowers fill your heart with beauty. May hope forever wipe away your tears, and above all, may silence make you strong. Leave the road, take the trails. A great silent space holds all of nature in its embrace. It also holds you. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. If we surrendered towards intelligence, we could rise up rooted like trees. I go to nature to be soothed and healed, and to have my senses put in order. For most of history, man has had to fight nature to survive. In this century, he is beginning to realize that in order to survive, he must protect it. Don't settle down and sit in one place. Move around, be nomadic, make each day a new horizon. If you talk to the animals, they will talk with you, and you will know each other. If you do not talk to them, you will not know them. And what you do not know, you will fear. What one fears, one destroys. If you are working inwardly, nature will help you. For the man who is working, nature is sister of charity. She brings him what he needs for his work. All that is harmony for you, my universe, is in harmony with me as well. Nothing that comes at the right time for you is too early or too late for me. Everything is fruit to me that your seasons bring. Nature. All things come of you, have their being in you, and return to you. The earth has music for those who listen. Nature is the purest portal to inner peace. Sunshine is delicious, rain is refreshing, wind braces us up, snow is exhilarating. There is really no such thing as bad weather, only different kinds of good weather. Nature is pleased with simplicity, and nature is no dummy. There is no Wi-Fi in the forest, but I promise you, you will find a better connection. Between every two pines, there is a doorway to a new world. Those who contemplate the beauty of the earth find the reserves of strength that will endure as long as life lasts. I felt my lungs inflate with the onrush of scenery, air, mountains, trees, people. I thought, this is what it is to be happy. The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. Our minds, as well as our bodies, have the need for the out of doors. Our spirits too need simple things, elemental things, the sun and the wind and the rain, moonlight and starlight, sunrise and the mist, and mossy forest trails, the perfumes of dawn and the smell of fresh turned earth and the ancient music of wind among the trees. For the mind disturbed, the still beauty of dawn is nature's finest balm. The goal of life is living in agreement with nature. Every flower is a soul blossoming in nature. We still do not know 1,000% of what nature has revealed to us. When you do something noble and beautiful and nobody noticed, do not be sad. For the sun every morning is a beautiful spectacle, and yet most of the audience still sleeps. The greener the setting, the more the relief. Preserve and cherish the pale blue dot. It is the only home we have ever known. Whenever you bring your attention to anything natural, anything that has come into existence without human intervention, you step out of the prison of the conceptualized thinking and to some extent participate in the state of connectedness with being, in which everything natural still exists. If you wish to know the divine, feel the wind on your face and the warm sun on your hand. When one tugs at a single thing in nature, he finds it attached to the rest of the world. Let the rain kiss you. Let the rain beat up on your head with silver liquid drops. Let the rain sing you a lullaby. If you wish to know the divine, feel the wind on your face and the warm sun on your hands. Tranquility, serenity, and beauty of nature taught me how to find happiness in life and in the silence of eternity. Nature is the source of all true knowledge. Nature holds the key to our aesthetic, intellectual, cognitive, and even spiritual satisfaction. Walk in nature and feel the healing power of the trees. And into the forest I go to lose my mind and find my soul. I go to nature to be suited, healed, and have my senses put in order. Nature has the power to heal because it is where we are from, it is where we belong, and it belongs to us as an essential part of our health and our survival. This brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the content, hit the like and subscribe button. Wishing you all the health, strength and happiness.